Did you know that the world's largest man made oyster reef was created in Maryland? And the most expensive coin in the world was sold for more than $7 million. And Africa and Asia are home to nearly 90% of the world's rural population. Fact number 10. There are only 3 countries in the world that don't use the metric system. For simplicity's sake, most of the more than 200 countries in the world use the metric system when describing things like length or mass. However, there are 3 countries that stand out: Liberia, Myanmar, and the United States. And soon that number might be down to 2. In 2018, Liberia Commerce and Industry Minister Wilson Tarfe said that the government plans to adopt the metric system in order to promote accountability and transparency trade, according to the Liberian Observer. Fact number 9. 4 babies are born every second. Every second, we welcome 4 new babies into our overall population. Do a little math and you will find out that means there are approximately 250 births each minute, 15,000 each hour, and 3,60,000 each day. In a full year, there are around 131.4 million babies born on Earth, according to the Ecology Global Network. Fact number 8. The coldest temperature ever recorded was minus 144 degrees Fahrenheit. You might think you are accustomed to frigid air and blustery winds, but the average winter day has nothing on the coldest day ever recorded, which was minus 144 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature was recorded in Antarctica during a span of research between 2004 and 2016. Just a few breaths of air at that temperature would induce hemorrhaging in your lungs and kill you. Fact number 7. The Earth's ozone layer will make a recovery in 50 years. Because of pollution, the Earth's ozone layer has suffered a lot. That's bad news for everyone. Since the fragile layer protects our planet and shields us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, fortunately, climate change experts believe that the ozone layer will fully heal within 50 years. According to the 2018 report from the United Nations, the recovery is thanks in a large part of the Montreal Protocol of 1987, which put a global ban on the use of one of the main culprits for the damage, chlorofluorocarbons (CFOs). Previously, CFOs had been common in refrigerators, aerosol cans, and dry cleaning chemicals. Fact number 6. There are 4 quadrillion bacteria on Earth. Not all bacteria are bad. In fact, some of those itty-bitty biological cells are actually good for us and aid the world in various and complex ways. And that's nice to know, considering there are around 4 quadrillion individual bacteria on our planet, according to the NPR. Fact number 5. People who are currently alive represent about 7% of the total number of people who have ever lived. Here's another world fact to keep in the back of your mind. According to the Population Reference Bureau, since the time Homo sapiens first hit the scene 50,000 years ago, more than 108 billion members of our species have been born, and a large chunk of that number is alive right now. According to the Bureau, the number of people alive today represents a whopping 7% of the total number of humans who have ever lived. Fact number 4. South Sudan is the youngest country in the world. Some of the countries are hundreds of years old, while others can trace their nation's history back for thousands of years. But South Sudan in North Africa just gained its independence from Sudan in 2011, which currently makes it the youngest country in the world. Fact number 3. Africa and Asia are the home to nearly 90% of the world's rural population. Not everyone lives in a booming city or sprawling suburb. Many people still make their homes outside of bustling locations, especially in India, which has the largest number of people living in rural areas. Approximately 893 million people live outside the city, according to the Reuters. China also has an impressively large rural population, with 578 million living outside the major centers. Fact number 2. The world's most expensive coin was sold for more than $7 million. The 1933 Double Eagle was a $20 US coin made of gold that never went into circulation. A few of the coins were made, but most were destroyed, save for 9 that were presumed stolen by US mint workers after years circulating the globe and falling into the hands of few notable owners, including the King of Egypt. One of the coins was auctioned off at Sotheby's in 2002 for a stunning $7,590,020 that made it the most expensive coin ever sold in an auction. Before fact number 1, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and turn on the bell icon to never miss any updates. Fact number 1. The world's largest man-made oyster reef was created in Maryland. Due to overfishing and disease, the oyster population in Maryland's Chesapeake Bay was seriously suffering, but thanks to dedicated work by scientists at the Horn Point Laboratory, the Army Corps, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, and the Nature Conservancy, the state is now the location of the world's largest man-made oyster reef, home to more than 1 billion oysters. The area is a non-fishing zone, which will hopefully give the population chance to recover.